Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have two amazing drones to compare, the SOTAONE Mini drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone. Let's see which one comes out on top in terms of features, performance, and value for money. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The SOTAONE Mini drone is priced at just $49, while the SOTAONE S400 drone comes in at $89. It's clear that the SOTAONE Mini drone is the more affordable option here, making it a great choice for those on a budget. The SOTAONE Mini drone offers a range of fun features such as toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also has the altitude hold function, which allows it to hover at a fixed height. Additionally, it comes with 3 batteries, giving you a flight time of up to 21 minutes. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. It also has features like 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, adding to the fun factor. With its stable flight and easy controls, it's suitable for beginners as well. When it comes to portability, both drones have their advantages. The SOTAONE Mini drone is compact and portable, making it easy to carry around for parties, hikes, and more. It's definitely a great gift option for kids or friends. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone is foldable and fits in the palm of your hand, making it highly convenient for travel or performing air shows. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The SOTAONE Mini drone features full protection with isolated propellers, ensuring the safety of both kids and the drone itself. The SOTAONE S400 drone also comes with full protective guards, preventing collisions and minimizing the risk of injury. The SOTAONE Mini drone offers great value for money, with its affordable price, fun features, and extended flight time. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone impresses with its HD camera, stable flight, and additional features like voice control and custom flight paths. So, which drone should you choose? The SOTAONE Mini drone is a fantastic option if you're looking for an affordable and fun drone with an extended flight time. But if you're interested in capturing high-quality aerial footage and enjoy advanced features, the SOTAONE S400 drone is worth considering. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. See you next time.